Hello guys and welcome to Creative Process DIY. My name is Vadim and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clean your dishwasher. If after cleaning your plates look like this or like this, there is a way to fix it and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So here I have Samsung dishwasher. The model is DW80R5061UT. And here's everything we need for this cleaning. We need a damp cloth, an old toothbrush, and dishwasher detergent pads. Keeping your dishwasher clean improves its performance, reduces unnecessary repairs, and increases its life. It's the best to clean spills on the outside of your dishwasher as they occur. You can use a soft, damp cloth on the control panel to gently wipe away spills and dust. Do not use wax, thinner, chlorine bleach, or alcohol. These materials may discolor the inner walls and cause stains. Do not clean your dishwasher by sprinkling water over it, and avoid letting water come into the contact with any of the electrical parts. Clean the interior of your dishwasher periodically to remove any dirt or food particles. Wipe the inside of the dishwasher and the inner part of the door with a wet dishcloth. If your dishwasher does not seem to be cleaning normally or the nozzles seem clogged, you can clean each of the nozzles. Now we can start cleaning the nozzles. For the lower nozzle, check whether the nozzle holes are clogged by food particles. If cleaning is needed, remove the nozzle by pulling it upwards. To remove the middle nozzle, unfasten and remove the nut, and then remove the nozzle. When removing the nozzles, be very careful as they may break. Also check your upper nozzle to see if it needs cleaning. It is located on the top. Mine looks good and I'm not gonna touch it. To remove any dirt or other remains from the nozzles, I'm using an old toothbrush. When the nozzle is clean, push it back into place. Check whether the nozzle is engaged correctly by rotating it by hand. Reinsert the middle nozzle and fasten the nut. When fastening the nut, turn it firmly by hand. Check whether the nozzle is engaged correctly by rotating it by hand. I recommend filling the detergent dispenser with dish detergent and then running dishwasher empty periodically using either the normal or express 60 cycle with the sanitize option. This will keep your dishwasher clean. If white spots and odor are still present in your dishwasher, run the normal cycle with the dishwasher empty and without detergent until it flushes. Then interrupt the cycle and put an 8-ounce cup of white vinegar into the lower basket. Close the dishwasher and let the cycle finish. Let's check my first load of dishes after I clean the dishwasher. And as you can see, everything is back to normal. Really cool. And this is how you clean your dishwasher. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.